Well, coming up this Saturday is the annual Sounds of the Season concert in Winston-Salem at First Baptist Church. Boy, I'm getting something again. Brian, you may have to come over here and help me with this one. Lisa Chandler, so tell us all about it.
Yes, you're right. It's our annual show. This is our 5th year, and it's all to benefit Second Harvest Food Bank. So we've got several groups from the area: Triad Harmony Express, Barbershop Men's Chorus from Winston. Glenn High School is going to be with us with their concert choral group, and also us, Downtown Sound.
All right, we got a sneak preview of you guys at the food drive yesterday.
Did.
We're going to listen to that right now so you can see exactly what we're talking about.
On, Dasher on, Dancer on, Prancer on, Vixen on, Comet on, Cupid on, Donner and Blitzen, to the top of the roof, to the top of the wall. He's coming to wish Merry Christmas to all. Merry Christmas!
Saw you there on the end there.
That's me.
All right, so talk a little bit about why this event is so important for families in need across our area.
We trying to give back to the community. We know that hunger is a big thing, and so that's why we've been trying to do this. Our leader, Pat Thompson, she thought about this 5 years ago, and we got started, and that's her home church, is First Baptist on 5th. So this is our 5th year in helping them out. And so everybody just needs to come out and bring some food or some money.
Because all of it is going to Second Harvest.
Exactly. Every bit of it will go to Second Harvest Food Bank. And so just come out and hear us sing the sounds of the season. There'll be traditional songs, and there'll also be some secular things that people will be hearing, and it'll be just a great show, as it is always.
Oh, it sounds like it's going to be absolutely wonderful. So let's give people the details. It's the Sounds of the Season. It's this Saturday night, 7 o'clock at First Baptist Church in Winston-Salem. And Lisa, thank you so much for coming to tell us all about this. Again, this is all benefiting the Second Harvest Food Bank.
Right.
Awesome.